In China, the number 4 is considered very unlucky because it sounds like the word death. That's why many Chinese people avoid number 4 in all occasions. Many hotels doesn't even have 4th floor. The number 8, 八, is the most loved number in China. It sounds like 发, which means get rich. It means you will have a lot of money in the future. It's a symbol of wealth. Chinese people also love number 6, 六. The number 6 is also considered as lucky. It means luck, great luck, smooth success. Everything goes well. People love to choose phone numbers and license plate number with number 6 and 8 because they want to be healthy, they want to get rich, and have great luck. Hi, this is Charlotte, and this is my TA Pearl. Today we're gonna learn everything about numbers. Numbers 1 to 10, numbers 11 to 99, 100, 1000. How to talk about your age, how to say your phone number, special number meanings in Chinese culture, the special pronunciation yi as yao. Hi friends, welcome back to the third lesson of our beginner Chinese class. 1. 一 2 二 3 三 4 四 5 6 六 7 七 8 八 9 九 10 十 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Numbers 11 to 99. Chinese numbers are super logical. 11, we say 10 1, 11, 10 10 1, 10 1, 11. So easy. How do we say 12? 10 2, 12, 12, 10 12, 2, 10 2, 12. How do we say 20? 2 10, 20, 22, 2, 10, 10, 20, 20, 21, 2 10 1, 21, 21, 2 10 1. How do we say 99? 99, 9 10 9, 99, 9 10 9, 99. 100, 百 100, 百 1000, 千 1000, 千 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 1000, 1000, 百 千 千. Now let's learn how to say your age. People will definitely ask you, how old are you? Asking about people's age is not considered as something super offensive. It's a normal question. I'm years old. You can say 我几岁?我5岁. I'm 5 years old. 我5岁.我 years old. 岁 5 5. I'm 5 years old. 我5岁. Now let's learn phone numbers. In Chinese, we read each digit one by one. For example, 138 45 67 8901 138 4567 8901. In phone numbers, 0 is read as 零 我的电话号码是1384567。My phone number is 我的电话号码是 my 我的 phone 电话 number 号码 My phone number 我的电话号码 is 是 My phone number is Try reading your own phone number in Chinese now. Let's learn the special pronunciation of one. One in Chinese has two different pronunciations. E, 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 Yao, Yao, Yao. Normally, the number one is pronounced E, but in real life, when native speakers speak room numbers, phone numbers, ID numbers, emergency numbers, room numbers, Chinese people always say one. Yao, Yao, Yao. For example, 110, 110. This is Chinese police emergency number. 110, 110, 110. How to say room 101? 101房间101房间房间 room 101. But remember, 1 is only for room numbers, phone numbers, emergency numbers. When people ask about your age, don't say 1. If you're 31 years old, you can say 31岁 instead of 31岁. Nobody says 31岁. When you're talking about your age, always use 一. When you're talking about phone numbers, room numbers, always say 1. Now let's learn some vocabulary related to numbers. Your age. 年龄年龄年龄年龄年龄 Birthday. 生日生日生日生日生日 Happy birthday. 生日快乐电话号码 Phone number. 电话号码电话号码电话号码 For today's homework, say your age in Chinese. Write your phone number in Chinese. Read 110 in Chinese. I'll reply to every comment and help you correct your sentences. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You're amazing. Please save this playlist and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye. 下节课见哦。